Hello, in this video I will tell you about the PancakeSquad NFT collection, how to participate in the sale of these NFTs and how you can get one of them in other ways. The PancakeSquad NFT collection is the first major collection from the PancakeSwap project. There are 10,000 NFT cards in total, and each is uniquely generated and doesn't have a copy. All elements present in NFT, such as eyes, clothes, body, earth background, will be generated automatically and have their own rarity. Accordingly, the less frequently one or another NFT element occurs, the more valuable it will be, and as a result, it is more expensive. At the beginning of the sale, instead of an NFT, a ticket will be issued, which will change to a random NFT. There are several ways to get tickets. The easiest one is to participate in the PancakeSwap Twitter giveaway. For example, one of the conditions for participation is simply to tell your story with PancakeSwap and retweet. Another condition is participation in the lottery or predictions. Or you just need to be on one of the social networks and you will be chosen at random. Exactly 100 tickets will be distributed through the giveaways. Of course, it all depends on luck. The next way to get tickets is to participate in a pre-sale a few hours before the public sale. To participate in sales we need a profile. There is a detailed video on how to create it on our channel. To get into the pre-sale list, you need to have on your account one of several the very first NFTs from PancakeSwap, Gen 0. At one time these NFTs were given to the first users of the project. And now they can only be bought on their marketplace. The cheapest one is now 105 BNB, which is quite expensive. Owning one such NFT entitles you to purchase one ticket. That is, if you own two of these NFTs, then you can buy two tickets, and so on. And the most accessible way for all is participation in the public sale. It will start right after the pre-sale on October 7, and will be held according to the rule first come, first served. It is important to be one of the first here. Up to 10 tickets will be available for purchase for each profile. One ticket will cost about $300 and will be bought for cake. Immediately after all tickets are sold, you can either sell your ticket or exchange it for one random NFT. In the future, PancakeSwap will release other NFT collections, as well as add collections by other authors. I really hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and bye to everyone.